Hello, I'm Rebecca Plant. These here ladies are...
Well, I'm Leina.
And I'm Fleur.
And we're the very proud owners of Leina Broughton.
So I am very excited to be standing here in the Leina Broughton, what do we call this area?
Wow, this is a design, video, photo shoot area.
This is the special area. So I'm feeling very, let's just call it that, because I'm feeling very special. And here in my, one of their older dresses.
It's a recent one. That one
It's a
was just a
recent one.
sellout, that one.
I say old because now I can't buy it because
Yeah.
they've got it here. But you guys, they do snap up. And you just told
They
me
do.
that one of your dress lines that you ladies put on for sale recently
Yeah.
sold in
An hour.
1 hour. So I'm not talking ticket to concerts to Bon Jovi. I'm talking about a dress here from a store that is based on the Gold Coast. Don't you do your manufacturing here on the Gold
Yes,
Coast
we
as
do.
well? And two beautiful Gold Coast women.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about Leina Broughton.
So we are a label that we do professional women's clothing, jersey. We make in Australia and make here on the Gold Coast, sizes 8 to 24. And Fleur and I joined forces in 2014. And the business has just gone from strength to strength.
Now, Fleur, you're standing over there, but you are absolutely, completely integral to the success of this business, because since you came on as a partner with Leina in 2015, the design label has been doubling its revenue year on year. Is that
Yeah,
right?
I think when we joined forces, we identified really clearly where our strengths lay, and as soon as we went into our own lanes with that, that's when we could kind of own each of those categories and just make it flourish. And I think that's what's continually made it a success, is just keeping on growing those particular areas with operations and design, and bringing in a fabulous team on board as well.
There's a few other things that we have spoken about earlier today that make this brand a success, and you two together as a powerhouse is clearly one of them.
Yes.
Another one is the use of your clients or women buyers as advocates for your brand and as your models too.
Yeah.
And I'm not going to get you to talk about that now because
Okay.
that's one of the key secrets that Leina's going to be talking about and sharing when she comes to the Business League on Wednesday, November the 6th.
Yes.
Are you excited?
I am very excited.
Is there anything you want to share with these guys as a teaser to them buying their seats?
So I think a bit of a teaser, I think that I like to think of us as real street fighters. When we started off, it was very much a small operations, but we've had the attitude of getting in there, giving it a go, and we have dipped our toes in all sorts of waters that we had no experience in, but that we knew what the end game was. And we've continued to come out on top, and year on year keep doubling.
I think one of the other key things that you're going to be sharing at the Business League is the best $2,000 you spent and what you used it towards. So that's
Yes.
And it involves shoes.
No, and it didn't even involve fabric, I believe, this time.
No, it didn't.
Very exciting. And so Charles has been here with us too, but he won't be at the Business League, but I bet that you are listening and wanting to be involved.
I really was on my parents like, where is he?
So this is what it looks like to be a woman in business. This is what it looks like to be very well dressed ladies, and we would love to see you Wednesday, November the 6th, to hear Leina and to meet Fleur as well, who'll be in there too. So get your tickets through businessleague.com.au and we'll drop the comment below this video as well. I'm Rebecca Plant.
I'm Leina.
I'm Fleur.
We'll see you at the Business League.
Bye.
Bye.